Being locked out of a room or property can be a distressing situation that many of us have experienced at some point. Whether it's misplacing keys, a malfunctioning lock, or an accidental door closure, the feeling of helplessness can be overwhelming. However, with the right approach and a calm mindset, you can often find a solution without resorting to extreme measures. This comprehensive step-by-step guide aims to provide you with practical strategies and techniques to open a locked door when you find yourself locked out. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of regaining access safely and efficiently, minimizing potential damage and inconvenience when faced with a lockout situation. It's important to stay calm and assess the circumstances. Panicking can cloud your judgment and lead to hasty decisions that may cause further complications. Take a moment to collect yourself and evaluate the available options before proceeding. Throughout this guide, we will explore a range of methods, from simple techniques like using a credit card or employing a lockpicking tool, to seeking professional assistance from a locksmith. Each step will be elaborated upon to provide you with clear instructions and guidance. However, it's essential to remember that not all methods will work in every situation, as lock types and door constructions can vary. Use your judgment and exercise caution to avoid causing damage or harm. Additionally, it's important to prioritize personal safety and legality. Avoid attempting any methods that could potentially lead to injury or violate the law. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with a particular technique, it's best to seek professional help. By equipping yourself with the knowledge and techniques outlined in this guide, you'll be better prepared to handle a lockout situation. Remember, prevention is key, so consider implementing measures such as spare keys or keyless entry systems to reduce the chances of future lockouts. Now, let's delve into the step-by-step process of opening a locked door, regaining access to your space. Step 1. Stay calm and assess the situation. Take a deep breath and assess the situation. Ensure that you are indeed locked out and that there are no immediate risks or dangers. Keeping a clear mind will help you approach the situation with a logical mindset. Step 2. Check for unlocked points of entry. Inspect all other possible points of entry, such as windows, back doors, or side entrances. Determine if any of them are unlocked and can provide an alternative access point. Step 3. Contact someone with spare keys. Reach out to a trusted friend, family member, or neighbor who may have a spare key to your property. Inform them about the situation and request their assistance in unlocking the door. Step 4. Attempt simple lock opening techniques. If no spare keys are available, try basic lock opening techniques. These may include using a credit card, a thin plastic card, or a similar flat object to slide between the door and the frame, gently pushing against the latch while simultaneously applying slight pressure on the door to release the lock. Step 5. Utilize a lockpicking tool. If you are familiar with lockpicking or have a lockpicking tool set, you can attempt to pick the lock. This requires skill and practice, so exercise caution. Avoid causing any damage to the lock or door. Step 6. Seek professional help. If previous attempts have been unsuccessful, consider contacting a professional locksmith. Locksmiths have the expertise, specialized tools, and knowledge to open locked doors efficiently without causing unnecessary damage. Step 7. Use a door wedge and rod. In situations where the door opens inward, has a visible gap at the top, you can use a door wedge or a sturdy object to create a gap between the door and the frame. Insert a long, thin rod, such as a wire hanger or a slim screwdriver, through the gap to reach the latch and manipulate it to unlock door. Step 8. Try a lock bumping technique. Lock bumping, when done correctly, can potentially unlock certain types of pin tumbler locks. However, this technique requires specialized tools and knowledge. If you are not familiar with lock bumping, it is advisable to consult a professional locksmith. Step 9. Exercise caution with destructive entry. Destructive entry should be your last resort and should only be attempted if you have exhausted all other options. It involves using forceful methods like breaking a window or removing the door's hinges. Exercise caution to avoid injury and be prepared for the potential costs of repairing any damage caused. Step 10. Learn from the experience and take preventive measures. Once you have successfully gained entry, take the opportunity to reflect on the situation. Consider taking preventive measures such as having spare keys, installing a keyless entry system, or implementing additional security measures to avoid future lockout incidents. Conclusion: congratulations on completing this comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to open a locked door when you find yourself locked out. By following these strategies and techniques, you have gained valuable knowledge and skills to handle such situations with confidence and efficiency. Remember, being locked out can be a frustrating experience, but maintaining a calm and collected mindset is crucial. Assess the situation, explore alternative entry points, and reach out for assistance when needed. It is important to prioritize your safety and the well-being of the property during the process. Throughout this guide, we have covered various methods, from non-destructive techniques like using a credit card or employing lockpicking tools, to seeking professional locksmith services when necessary. Each step has provided you with valuable insights and instructions to navigate the lockout situation. However, it's essential to exercise caution and be mindful of legal and safety considerations. Some methods may not be suitable for all lock types or may require professional expertise. If you are uncertain or uncomfortable with a particular approach, it is always advisable to consult a professional locksmith who can provide assistance tailored to your specific situation. Remember that prevention is key to avoiding future lockout incidents. Take proactive measures such as having spare keys, using keyless entry systems, or implementing additional security features to minimize the risk of being locked out. By applying the knowledge gained from this guide and taking preventive measures, you are better equipped to handle lockout situations in the future. Stay calm, think logically, and approach the problem systematically to find the most appropriate solution. Thank you for investing your time in learning how to open a locked door. By doing so, you have empowered yourself with practical skills that can save you from unnecessary stress and inconvenience. May you never find yourself locked out again, but if you do, remember the steps outlined in this guide to help you regain access efficiently and safely.